let's discuss about the options. Okay. So first of all, this option is called add column section, my friend. Okay. Here we can create a multiple. Okay. Sometime what happened, we are not able to find the column. So we need to create that column value. Okay. So in the SQL Server, that is called calculated column. Okay, my friend. In the SSIR, that is called derived column. Okay. And here, this is called adding a column, guys, here. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query? Okay. So if you want to add a new column, here we have a multiple option, guys, here. So let's discuss one by one, each column. The first option is column from example. Okay. So column form example, just say that, okay, you want to create a column and this column can be used the value from either all column from your data set or either you want to collect the selected column value. Okay. So let's do it. Let's go with the from selection. Okay. So now after that, add column from example. Okay. You can put the some value and then automatically Power BI will create a new column on the basis of that existing column, guys, that you selected. Clear? So this is called add column from example. Okay. Let's cancel it because we don't want it. Okay. Now the next option is called custom column. Okay. When you click on the custom column, okay, Power BI will open a formula bar from you. Okay, for you guys. Okay. Here you can provide your column name. Okay. And in this equal section, mean this is called formula section, where you can write your formula. Okay, according to either you can use the existing column or you can write your own formula, guys, here. Clear? This column we are using for creating a unit price column. True, guys? Remember, everyone? So
Yes.
if you see
Yeah.
here, you see. So here my column name is unit price. Okay. And here, this is my formula. So what I did here, I'm using some existing column. Okay. So I'm saying, okay, sales divided by quantity. And that column is called unit price. Okay. So when you click on the OK, then you can see the Power BI added a new column here. Okay. And this column contain each row by row calculation, guys. Understand, everyone? So if you
Yeah.
create a column, the value can be calculated by row. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query, my friend?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, invoke custom function. Okay. So here you can create your own custom function, guys. Okay. And then we can use it. This one very less people are using. Okay. Now, the next one. This is called conditional column. Okay, when you click on the conditional column, you have an option to create a column that fulfill the condition, guys. Okay, so let's create it. Okay, so now my formula is cell status. Okay, I want to create a column name is cell status, and now the condition is here. Okay, if my cells, okay, less than 500, then it's a bad cell, or if greater than 500, then it's a good cell. Clear, everyone? Did you understand my requirement? My requirement
Yes.
is here, if my cells, this column value greater than 500, then it's a good cell. Otherwise, it's a bad cell. Clear?
Yep.
Yeah, similar like we used the coloring in the earlier one.
Yes,
Similar like this one.
yes. Similar like that one. Okay. But on that time, we are just changing the background color. Now we are putting the value. Okay. So first of all, my column name. Okay. Then my condition. If, and now I'm choosing my conditional column. So my conditional column is self. So if my self value greater than 500, okay, then I say, okay, good self. Okay, my friend. Else I say bad self. Clear, guys? Please, everyone, write down this. Let me know, my friend, once it's done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now just simple click OK button. And now you can find a new column, but that column have conditional output. Okay. So that's why this is called conditional column. Please, everyone, note it down. So now you understand, guys. Okay. Now sometime what happened? Okay. If you want to create a column that contain identity value. Okay. Like in the SQL Server, we are calling that one is called identity value. So if you want to create a new column that contain identity value, okay, that is auto increment value. So here Power BI say that it's an index column. Okay, my friend. So when you want to create a column like a identity value column, okay, then you can choose the option called index column. So in the index column, we have a three option, my friend. You want to start the column value from 0, you want to start the column value from 1, or you want to start the column value with a custom formula, guys. Okay. So let me show you one by one each. Okay. So I'm saying I want to create an index column from 0. So now this column will create and the first value will be 0, guys. So let's create it. So you can see my friend. Here Power BI create a new column, name is index, okay, and the start value is 0. Clear?
Yep.
Okay, let's delete that column. If I'm saying, okay, I want to create a column from 1, so I just click from 1, and now my Power BI create a new column called index, and the start value is 1. Okay, and now if you want to create your own custom column, custom index column, so you just click here, custom. And now you can say that, okay, my column start with a 0, 2 and increment by 2. Okay. And now just click OK. So my first value is 2. And look at this, my friend. Next value is automatically updated by the 2, guys. Clear, everyone? So this is called index column. Okay. Now the next option is called format, guide. Okay. You have option here to format your column value. Okay, either uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, trim, everything. I think we already practiced this thing. True, guys? Now, this option is, my friend, extract. So here, this option is say that, okay, you want to extract some value from existing column. For example, okay, I select the column called this one, cell status, and I'm saying, okay, I want to extract the length. So now what happened? Power BI create a new column and that contain the length of each value of cell status column. Okay. So let's click it. And now you can see, my friend. So good cell, it's a ninth character. Bad cell, it's a eighth character. Okay. Clear, everyone? So now with the help of extract, okay, we have multiple option here. You can extract the first character, you can extract the last character, you can extract the range of the character, you can extract the text before delimiter, text after delimiter, and text between delimiter. So all the option we already tried this thing, okay? So I'm not going to explain again. Now, if you choose any numeric column, okay, then this changes, the column is changed, guys, okay? So here, if you choose any non-numeric column, like for example, this one, so this option is disabled for you. Okay. And if you choose the numeric column, yes, you have option here to perform some standard mathematical formulas here. Okay. Some standard and some statistical formulas here, guys. Clear everyone? Any question, any query? And now one more option is available here that is called merge column. Okay. With the help of merge column. Okay. So first of all, for the merge column, we need to select two column, and then we can get the option called merge column, my friend here. Okay. So whenever you merging the two column, he asking first of all, what is the common or what is the separator between these two column, and then you can get the option called new column name. Okay. So this column is basically used for, let's suppose we have a two column that contain first name and last name. Okay, we have a two column called first name and last name. And now we want to merge into one column that is called full name. Okay, so in that scenario, we can use a merge column. So we can merge the column, select the column first name, and we can use a separator that is called dash and then last name. Okay, guys, clear everyone? Okay. View menu is nothing, guys. It just show you the option for view purpose. Okay. So you can use this option for hide the column, unhide the column, this type of option, guys, available here. Now let's back to the tool. Okay. Tool is basically we are using, let's suppose your someone say that okay, your Power BI report taking so much time for execution and you want to diagnose these things. Okay. So here this is the option available, guys, my friend. So with the help of this, okay, Power BI automatically diagnose your all the Power BI data set. Okay. And if he found any issue, he will inform you. Okay. Clear everyone? So now once you're done with all changes, go with the home tab and click on these three options here, guys. If you click on this option, that is one option is called close and apply. The second one is called apply. And the third option is called close. So now what is the meaning of these three? So basically the first option say that whatever the changes you create in this section that can be apply and close this window. Okay, clear my friend? This
Yes, sir.
option say that apply all the changes, okay, that we perform here. And the close means forget all, revert all the changes that we have, okay, and do the next. Okay. Okay. So relationship, we already know that. Okay. So let's create a dashboard. Okay. And where we can use a calculated column and all. Okay. So now I'm going to create a table here, and I'm using import column, my friend, import table option. And now I'm adding a customer name first. Oh, I don't have a customer name. Ah, I think I remove it, no? Let me see. Okay, the column name is merge. Okay, rename, and I rename it customer name. Okay, my friend. So I drag customer name here. Okay, and total order and sales. Please everyone add this. Okay, my friend, done everyone. Now I want to say that, okay, I want to see the highest cell in the top and lowest cell in the bottom. Understand everyone? In this table, I want to see the highest cell in the top and lowest cell in the bottom. That means this output, I want to see the order output where the order can be defined by the cells. True, guys? So now in the SQL Server, what we did? Okay, we just simple write down the order by. Okay. So here, if you want to perform the order by clause, okay, you just click on the column and you get that. Okay, my friend. Just click on the column, that column you want to perform the order by clause. Just click on that header of that column and then automatically Power BI perform that. If you click on the first click, this is a descending order. If you click on the second time click, it's a ascending order, my friend. So according to the requirement, you can choose ascending or descending order. Now, sometime what happened, I want to, okay, let me show you one more option here. You just click on the date value. Okay, and you have option here, short, descending and ascending here option, guys. Okay, so either you can click on this column header or either you can just click on the three dot and you have option, guys, here, descending and ascending. And if you want to perform, okay, some specific column, like I want to perform the sort by customer name. So I select the sort by customer name and then I can choose ascending and descending order, my friend. So this time, because you choose sort by customer name, okay, and then you choose ascending order, then data will be sorted on the basis of your selected column and your selected order. Clear? Now, sometime what happened, I want to sort it on the basis of one column, that column not display here. Let me tell you what is the condition. For example, I want to sort this data on the basis of profit column. Okay, my friend, I want to see the highest profitable customer sales detail in the top. Okay, but the requirement is here. I don't want to add profit into my table. Okay, so now what happened in this scenario? Okay, Power BI say that, okay, you have option here that is called tooltip. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, so before that, let me learn one more interesting thing, guys, that is called bookmark here. Okay, so bookmark is nothing. It's just an option to hide or unhide the column, guys. Okay, so let me show you. Before that, let's discuss about the tooltip, guys. Okay, before after that we can move the bookmark. So tooltip, what is tooltip? Okay, let me add one chart here. Let's add category and let's add cell. Okay, so when you move the cursor there, this small window comes that is called tooltip, my friend. Okay, clear? What is tooltip? That this small window is called tooltip, my friend. Whenever you move the cursor over the object in the Power BI, you will get this information that is called tooltip. Okay. So Power BI say that if you have a tooltip and you want to customize the tooltip, yes, we have option here. Okay. So let's do one by one. So for example, here I'm showing, okay, my friend, here I'm showing category wise total sale. Let's add a subcategory here. Okay, now it's good. So when I select any value, so he said that in the phone subcategory, this is a total sale. Okay, my friend? Clear. Now I want to know that, okay, in the tooltip, I want to know that total profit. In this subcategory, okay, when I move the cursor over the subcategory, over the age subcategory, I want to know the total profit. But that total profit, I don't want to add into my chart. Okay, that total profit, I want to add only in the tooltip. Okay, so in that scenario, you can add that column in the tooltip section, my friend, here. So I'm dragging profit here in the tooltip. Look at this. Chart is not changed. Column is not changed. But if you see in the tooltip, you can find your column, my friend. So this is called tooltip, my friend. Please everyone use it. Okay, the Power BI say that, okay, if you want to customize your tooltip, like changing the font color, anything, yes, we have option here. Go here, search the tooltip, and you get this option, my friend, here. Okay, in this section, okay, you can have an option to change the font color. Let's suppose I'm saying my tooltip is a bold. So I just make a bold. Label and value. There's a two section here, guys. What is meaning of the two label and value? So the column name like subcategory, sum of sales, sum of profit. This is called label. Okay. And the phone $3.33. Okay. And 44. It's the value. So let's suppose if I'm saying my label is a black color or label is a red this color and value is a black color. So when you move here, look at this, guys. Okay, my friend. Please everyone try this. And if you go a little bit down, you can change the background color of your label also, my friend. Okay, transparency, background color, everything you can perform here. Okay, let me know once everyone done. So this is called tooltip, my friend.
Yeah, done.
Okay, in the tooltip, there is one more option also available. You just click here and short axis. Look at this. Remember, when we got the sort option, okay, we can get only the column that is used in the table. But now you can also get the column that is used in a tooltip also, my friend. So let's suppose if you want to sort the value on the basis of a column that you don't want to display in your report, okay, then you can add that column into tooltip section, my friend. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query?
No.
Okay. Now, in the Power BI, we have an option here to we can create a custom tooltip, my friend. What is meaning of custom tooltip? Custom tooltip means, okay, we can create a page that define the tooltip and we can customize it. So let's see that. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to create a page and the name of the page is tooltip. Okay. Please everyone. And this page, I go to the property section. I'm just saying that, okay, this page is a tooltip page. Name is the tooltip. Okay. And here in the type, I say that it's a tooltip. So automatically page style will decrease, guys, because tooltip very small display pop-up window. Okay, please everyone do it. So now after that, you can drag the column here, guys. Okay. So let's suppose I'm dragging total customer name. Okay. So I drag customer name here. Go to the page. Okay. So first of all, I want to show that total customer. Okay. So I just add. Remember, guys, I told you whenever you want to show the single value, okay, we can add a card here. So let's add a card. Okay. And I'm saying total customer. So I just drag the customer name and so that count string. So I just say that, okay, it's a total customer. Okay, my friend. And I add a title here. Total customer. Okay, my friend. Change the font color, every option we have here. And hide this one. Let me know once everyone done. So in the first, okay, I'm just showing total customer. Okay, guys. Now I want to create a report, okay, that will show the hierarchy wise sales value, subcategory value. Okay. So I add a bar line chart here, year, and make a category, subcategory, sorry, not category. So it will show me the subcategory wise total sale, guys. Okay. Clear, my friend? Any question? Done, everyone? Okay. Now I'm going to connect this page to my custom tooltip. Okay. So select this page, select the visual, and here you can get the option called tooltip guide. Okay. Drag the field here. Okay. So in the tooltip, I'm saying I want to show the value. Okay. So go to the tooltip first. Okay. And I'm saying type if default and the page is tooltip. Okay. So now this time I'm saying I have a tooltip page. Okay. And why this name is automatically come here? Why the page number 1, page number 2 is not come here, page number 3 is not coming, only tooltip come here? Because remember, in the page section of the tooltip page, you define that this is a tooltip. True, guys? Remember? Let me show you where. Here, in the page section, when you define the page, on that time you say that, okay, it's a tooltip page. True, guys? So Power BI automatically understand that, okay, this page is a tooltip page. So when you go here in any visual, okay, in any visual tooltip section, okay, Power BI automatically understand, oh, select the visual first. Or we automatically know that it's a tooltip guide. So when you move the cursor there, look at this. Your custom tooltip display here. Okay, my friend?
Yes.
So in the Power BI, okay, you have option here, tooltip have two options. You can go with the default tooltip or you can prepare your own tooltip, my friend. Please everyone do it.
Sir, could you please show again?
Have you created the tooltip page first of
Yeah.
all?
Yes, I did that.
Okay, simple. Go to the chart,
Yes, sir.
whatever the chart you create. Okay, go to the property, tooltip, and here in the page section, choose your page, the tooltip page.
Okay. Okay, done, sir.
Okay. So this is called tooltip guide, custom tooltip, not tooltip. It's called custom tooltip. Okay. So let's do one exercise. Okay. Let's create a bar chart that display yearly sales. Okay. True, guys. But in the tooltip, when I select any specific year, okay, I want to see total customer. Okay, guys. In the tooltip page, I want to see total customer, total order, total return, and monthly sales chart. So please everyone try this. You need to create a bar chart that's showing yearly sales. But when I click on the tooltip, I want to see this information. Okay. So basically we learned that drill down, guys. This option, I hope everyone know that when I create the matrix, okay. And when I create a state and city and showing total sale, each category wise, sorry, subcategory wise. Okay. So this option is called drill down. I hope everyone remember. True, my friend?
Yes, sir.
When you click on the plus symbol, you can get the more detail about that particular data. Okay. Now, drill through say that, okay, we drill through is another option which they say that, okay, we can go with the cross page direction. Okay. So let me show you, then we can understand, my friend. So what I did, I create a one page that is called main page. Okay, my friend. In the main page, I have a table. In this table, I drag customer name. Okay. Total orders. Total sale and total profit. Okay. This information I'm showing here. Okay. Now, if my requirement is, if I click any customer name here, okay, I want to see this order detail, guys. Like here I'm showing this customer placed two orders. Okay. Now I want to know that what is the information about that two order, like what is the product name, okay, how much quantity he sell, okay, what is the order date, every information. That cannot possible to show in the same page. So what we did, we can create a one more page that is called detail page. Okay, guys. In the detail page, okay, I put all the information. So let's add a table again. Same customer name. Okay. Now order ID. Now this time I'm not going to count it because this is a detail page, my friend. Okay. Order date. And this time show the order date. No hierarchy. Okay. In this order, how many product he choose? The product name and then quantity, sales and profit. Every information. Please everyone do it. Okay. Now we need to connect these two pages, guys, here. Okay. The first page contains the summary and the second page contains the detailed report. True, my friend? So now the requirement is we need to connect these two pages so that whenever I select any customer name here, okay, that summary information we can see here. and it automatically Power BI jump to the next page and show me the detail about that customer, selected customer. Okay, guys, clear? So that option is called drill through. Okay. So first of all, you need to here, if you see the column page here, guys, there is an option called add drill through field here. Did you see that, guys? So what is the common column between both pages, guys? The customer name. So in a both page, we drag the customer name, guys, in the drill through section. Here. Okay. And here also, my friend. So both page, I say that, okay, the customer name. Now, when I click on the summary page, okay, my friend, and now I choose any customer. For example, this customer, right click and me asking drill through. Okay. And which page? Detail page. Clear, everyone? So select the customer. I select this customer, right click, cancel it. Right click, drill through and detail page. So look at this. What happened here? I jump to the next page, but I can see only that selected customer that I select in the previous page. So this is option is called drill through, my friend. Let me know once everyone done.
Sir, can you do it again?
Yes. First of all, in the page section, okay, here this is called drill through option, guys. Okay, drag the column, that is a common between both pages. So in this page and both pages, the common column is customer name. So I drag customer name in the drill through column section here. Okay, drag the customer name, and in the second page also I drag the I drag the customer name, my friend. Okay, and after that, I select any column, any customer name here, my friend. Like for example, I'm choosing this one, Alan Hawken. Drill through, right click, drill through, and I can get the option called detail page.